Imagine a world where a genetic condition robs you of your sight, leaving you in darkness. This is the harsh reality for those battling BEST1-related inherited retinal disease, IRD, a rare condition with no approved treatments. But there's a glimmer of hope on the horizon. Opus Genetics, a pioneering biopharmaceutical company, has just received a game-changing approval from the FDA for their investigational gene therapy, OPGx-BEST1. This clearance paves the way for a Phase 1/2 clinical trial, slated to begin in the second half of 2025, offering a potential lifeline to patients facing progressive vision loss and even blindness. This breakthrough is particularly significant because BEST1-related IRD, also known as BEST disease or vitelliform macular dystrophy, is caused by mutations in the BEST1 gene, leading to macular degeneration. Currently, patients and their families are left with uncertainty and limited options. OPGx-BEST1 aims to change that. This innovative therapy utilizes Opus Genetics' proprietary AAV-based gene therapy platform, delivering a healthy copy of the BEST1 gene directly to the retinal pigment epithelium, RPE cells, where the defective gene resides. Preclinical studies have shown promising results, demonstrating restored BEST1 protein expression and improved retinal function in disease models. The upcoming clinical trial will be a multi-center, open-label study, meticulously evaluating the safety, tolerability, and preliminary efficacy of a single subretinal injection of OPGx-BEST1 in patients with genetically confirmed BEST1-related IRD. Researchers will also closely monitor biological activity, tracking changes in visual function and retinal structure. And this is the part most people miss. This trial represents Opus Genetics' third ongoing clinical program, showcasing their unwavering commitment to tackling multiple IRDs simultaneously. Their pipeline boasts a robust portfolio of AAV-based gene therapies targeting various inherited retinal diseases, including Leber congenital amaurosis, LCA, and retinitis pigmentosa. Additionally, they are advancing phentolamine ophthalmic solution 0.75%, a partnered therapy with potential applications for presbyopia and low-light vision impairments. George McGrath, MD, CEO of Opus Genetics, expressed his enthusiasm. The FDA's clearance of our BEST1 IND is a significant step forward for the IRD community and for our mission at Opus Genetics focused on restoring vision for patients. BEST1-related IRDs have no approved treatments today, leaving patients and families with uncertainty about the future of their vision. The OPGx-BEST1 trial will be our third ongoing clinical program, reflecting the depth of our pipeline and our commitment to advancing multiple therapies in parallel for patients with urgent unmet needs. But here's where it gets controversial. Gene therapy, while holding immense promise, is still a relatively new field. Questions remain about long-term safety, efficacy, and accessibility. Will OPGx-BEST1 live up to the hype? Only time and rigorous clinical trials will tell. Opus Genetics' progress is undoubtedly exciting, but it also raises important questions. How will the cost of such treatments be managed? Will they be accessible to all who need them? The journey towards a cure for BEST1-related IRD is just beginning, and it's a journey that demands our attention, our support, and our ongoing dialogue. What are your thoughts on the potential of gene therapy for inherited retinal diseases? Share your opinions in the comments below.